Shower Fate. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Kutja Worx. And I'm a beautiful, great fan of the entertainer. Let's go straight up inside. Today, we're going to be working on the red BMW. Remember the cleanest BMW build ever? This is the day we're gonna be working on it. Let's go check it out. It's Cressida Shiwe. Malaguja. Kita reva. Awu bun. Bagasaliga muna, bagasaliga. Iman. Kaputsie. Iman. Ciao. Muna ga thabotse jwang. Yo. Oh, it was straight. Oh. Now I would. We would relate. Whatever, wana H2O. And when I went out to you and Jan. I don't know. Let that boom boom. Yeah. Yeah, true. So the car is still hot and cold. Here we go on there. 28 standard. Isa tutse. Ning. Hello. Anna. Malaguja. Guys, this is a stock standard VR6, guys. Stock standard. This is how a VR6 sounds. I'm just not sure if they have altered the exhaust. Those who know VR6 so much, can they tell me if this exhaust is standard? This is the way the VR6 exhaust is when the car is bought from factory. Unless the tailpiece I know it's not like that. Someone came me with the exhaust. Are the exhausts like this? Or they've altered exhaust silencers? What I know is that I don't see a suitcase. There's this big suitcase that sits somewhere there in the middle. It's not there. Let me check the silencers there. I just see a resonator there, but I don't see a suitcase. So the car still pieces have been modified, but the rest of everything is okay. So guys, before I can get the fire to come through the exhaust, I'm just heating up the car, making sure that it has enough I don't know what to call it, enough that, and then as it has enough that, we will foam it and it will pull. You don't get that fire from the exhaust when the car is cold, or you just starting it. You just starting it. Uthomile uyithoma. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you DRS. DRS haina flow. Kani aksa khona ho bula di bonnet. Aksa khona ho bula di bonnet na. Ke sa khona. So the fan is on. The fan is on. I just didn't think the fan was on because you can't hear it unless if it's that one which goes through stages. So from the initial stage, it will sound a little bit lower, and then as we go up, as we proceed, it will increase its speed, the louder it gets. So this is what we call OEM. This is what we call OEM. So eventually, it will be very loud. But now you can't tell if the fan is on or not, can you? Hey, the temperature is still sleepy. The temperature is still sleepy. The temperature is still sleepy. Guys, the VR6 is impressive. Whether it tries to be impressive or it just trying to be impressive or it is just that. The VR6, it really impressive without trying. Heat up, man, heat up. We want to hear those bangs. Lemon, why are you fast? Oh, OEM, ngwanaka. Number 7.
And I start to look for Silisa Copy, no center. Since
Silisana sorry, you would be fast.
I see.
Bo, say some Chasso.
D2, this is some.
Some like this. Mardia Twan.
Oh, to the stage 2. So I'm putting angel.
It's proper. It's proper. So guys, the way this car is sounding, it's too proper, too perfect. The other engine had problems and it wasn't as fine. So after it had problems, they bought a new engine. This is a new engine. It's not the one which was here before. There's the new engine, and yeah, now it's really fine. It's not the same engine, so it's sounding proper. Everything is good, and I think it took Kutja a day to do. And yeah. Anyway, guys, we enjoyed the VR6, and hopefully we will get a video of this car driving, and I'll give you an onboard, because I'm definitely gonna be inside. You know me, I always give you the front row seat of what's happening. So for me right now, that is all we have for this episode of Worx, and I'm gonna be beautiful, great fun. I was doing to be the entertainer. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Worx, where you're gonna get all the content of Worx alone, exclusively. So let's move this movement. Let's get Worx to 50,000 subscribers.